So, we are live. Hey everyone, welcome to Practically We Bring Learning Alive. So, today we would be solving the 5 most important questions from the chapter Some Applications of Trigonometry. Okay, so let's start. Yeah. Here's the first question. The shadow of a tower standing on a leveled ground is found to be 40 meters longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degrees than when it is 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Alright, first let us draw the figure to understand it better. Okay. So there is the level ground, correct? And there is a tower standing. So now the shadow of it this is at 60 degrees, correct? This at 60 degrees, when the sun's altitude is 30 degrees than when it is 60 degrees. So the length of the shadow is more when the sun's shadow is at 30 degrees, correct? So if this is 60 degrees, this will be 30 degrees, correct? Of course, yes. So when this is x, this will be 40 meters, right? All these are in meters, right? Now, I know many of you will get confused like 60 degrees, 30 degrees, where to put what. But here's a trick. This is 90 degrees, correct? So, which is close to 90 degrees? 60 or 30? 60. So, first will be 60, then next will be 30 degrees, okay? Do not get confused while naming the angles or while taking the angles. So, let us take this to be h. That is height of the tower. And let us also name the triangle. Alright, now let us solve the question. We have to find the height of the tower. Okay, so first in triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees. What is tan? Opposite by adjacent. So this will be h by x. H by x. So root 3x is equals to h. Right? Or we can just write x is equals to h by root 3. Next, we have to take another triangle, that is ABD. So, in triangle ABD, what will happen? We have to use the same trigonometric ratios, tan 30 degrees. So, tan 30 degrees equals to h by x plus 40. Right? So, let us see. What is tan 30 degrees value? 1 by root 3. So, 1 by root 3 is equals to, what did we get? H by x plus 40. H by x plus 40. So, root 3h equals to x plus 40. But now, what do we have to calculate? We have to calculate the height of the tower, correct? So, we have to substitute the value of x in terms of h. Hi Ashray, very good afternoon. So, when is the sample paper in English? We would tell you soon, you would receive the notification. Okay, so would you want to listen the sample paper in English? And when do you think you want to? Is it this week, next week? You can just tell in the comments, okay? We will see according to that. So, first let us solve this, okay? So, x equals to how much? H by root 3. Let's substitute it. Root 3h is equals to h by root 3 is plus 40. Root 3h minus h root 3 is equals to 40. Just calculate it. 3h minus h is equals to 40 root 3. 2h is equals to 40 root 3. H equals to 20 root 3 meters. This week, ma'am. Okay. So, you need this week. So, we are aware that exams are from April 27th, right? If I'm not wrong. So, okay, we would see hopefully to start by this week or next week. We would definitely update you. So, please download the Practically app. You would receive the notification. Also, subscribe to the channel, okay? Definitely, we will be doing the sample paper in English. Alright. So, by the way, are you like listening to these 5 most important questions which are happening in science and math? So, science at 1 p.m., math at 12 p.m. Okay, next go to the next question. Two ships are there in the sea on either side of the lighthouse. The either side or the same side. This is like the major important phrases in the question, okay? If it is same side, you have to take the ships on the same side of the tower. If it's on the either side, then you have to take on the opposite sides, correct? Okay. In such a way that ships and lighthouse are in the same straight line, okay? The angles of depression of two ships as observed from the top of the lighthouse are 60 degrees and 45 degrees, okay? If the height of the lighthouse is 200 meters, find the distance between the two ships. Alright, let us first draw the figure to understand it better. So first, this is the lighthouse, correct? So ships are on the either side of the lighthouse. If I am like the lighthouse, one ship is this side, one ship is this side, correct? So let us draw the ships. Okay. So this is 45 degrees, one is 60 degrees and this is 200 meters. Okay. Now what do we have to find? Find the distance between the two ships. Okay, Ashray, I have the very good. You have subscribed also. Please start solving and start checking the videos also, okay? And okay, done. So let us first name this A, B, C, D. Now easy, right? We can easily find AD. That is distance between the two ships. So first, tan 45 degrees. What is tan 45 degrees? Can anyone tell me the answer? You have to know the trigonometric ratios, correct? So we know that tan theta or tan some angle is nothing but opposite by adjacent. So this will be 200 by AC. 200 by AC. And what is the value of tan 45? It is 1. So 1 equals to 200 by AC. That is AC equals to 200 meters. So we got this length to be 200 meters. Now we should also find the length of CD and add this AC plus CD to know the distance between the ships. Let us do it. So let me just write here itself because diagram is there. Now tan 60 degrees is equals to 200 by what is this? CD. So root 3 equals to 200 by CD. CD equals to 200 by root 3 meters. So we got the length of CD as well. Now what do we have to do? We have to find AC plus CD. Why? Because they have asked the distance between the ships. So distance between ships is equals to 200 plus 200 by root 3. So this will be 200 root 3 plus 200 by root 3. Correct? So 200 you can take common, root 3 plus 1 by root 3. You have to rationalize the denominator. So this will be 200 root 3 of root 3 plus 1 by 3. So from here you can calculate, right? You can just do the division of 200 by 3 and you can write the answer, okay? Next, a 7 meters long flat staff is fixed on the top of a tower standing on the horizontal plane. Okay, just let me take a break here. I have done 15 most repeated questions in the subject of mathematics and it is already on the YouTube, right? So I have picked the questions which have been repeating for the past 10 years. And if you see beside the question, I have also named which years it has been repeated, okay? So make sure you check it because you know, it is like analyzing the previous year question papers, like literally past 10 previous year question papers. So if you analyze, you would understand what type of questions are repeatedly asked. Okay, so just go through that video. I've already done. I've taken around 15 questions, okay, from all the chapters. Okay. Now, a 7 meter long flat staff is fixed on the top of the tower standing on the horizontal plane. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of top and bottom of the flat staff are 45 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Find the height of the tower. So, always make sure you read the words like this, respectively. That is one after the other, right? Okay, now let us draw the diagram. the 7-meter flagstaff is fixed on the top of the tower. So let us take the tower to be H. Okay. Then on this a flagstaff is fixed. That is, this is 7 meters. Right. Now from a point on the ground. So let us take this point. What is it saying? The angles of elevation of top and bottom. So top is 45 degrees. So this is 45 degrees. Right? And bottom of the flagstaff flagstaff is 30 degrees. So this is 30 degrees. Now what do we have to find? Find the height of the tower. So we have to find this value of H. So I will wait for around 1 minute. Can you tell me the answer? What is the height of the tower? By the time I will also solve it. So please do type the answer in the comments. Okay. Alright. So first let us name this A, B, C, D. Okay, just let me wait for a minute and see who is solving or who will give me the correct answer. Okay, I want you all to solve. Okay, just tell me what is this height of the tower. Everything is there. There's 45 degrees, there's 30 degrees, like literally everything is there. So you can easily do it. Right? Okay, let me also start doing it. I know it takes time, correct? So, first let me take the triangle ABD. So, in triangle ABD. So, what do we know? This is 45 degrees, correct? So, tan 45 degrees is equals to BD by BA. BD by BA. Tan 45 degrees is 1. So, 1 equals to what is BD? 7 plus H. 7 plus H by what is BA? We do not know. Let us put BA only. So, we got BA is equals to 7 plus H. So, let us write here. Let me use another color to differentiate it. So, this is 7 plus H. Right? Now, we can take this triangle. That is triangle ACB. So, in triangle ACB, tan 30 degrees. What is tan 30 degrees here? H by 7 plus H, right? So, H by 7 plus H. So, this is 1 by root 3 equals to H by 7 plus H. Root 3 H equals to 7 plus H. Root 3 minus 1 into H is equals to 7. H equals to 7 by root 3 minus 1. It's so easy, right? Once we know the concept and know how to apply it, and you know the trigonometric ratios, this is like super easy. See, you have already got H value. You have to just what? Rationalize it now. Root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1. So, this will be 7 of root 3 plus 1 by A plus B into A minus B whole square, 3 minus 1, 2. That is 7 by 2 of root 3 plus 1. Or you can just put 3.5 into root 3 plus 1 meters. So, no one have given me the answer. Okay. And if they ask you to take the value of root 3 to be 1.732, what do you have to do? You have to substitute. Okay. Next. A man standing on the deck of the ship, which is 10 meters above the water level. Okay, the deck of the ship is only 10 meters above the water level. So, if this is the water level, this is 10 meters. A man is standing here. Okay. Next. Observes the angle of elevation of top of the hill. So, let us take this is the hill. Elevation of top of the hill. So, if this is the top of the hill, this is 60 degrees, correct? Next, angle of depression of the base of the hill is 30 degrees. So, depression. This is 30 degrees. So, if this is 30 degrees, this will be 30 degrees, correct? find the horizontal distance of the hill from the ship. So this distance we have to find, that is distance x, and also height of the hill. So we have to find this height. So first let us name this A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so sorry, this is E. Okay, now if AD is 10 meters, is 90 degrees is 90, so this will also be 10 meters. Correct? So let me take CE to be H. This is X. So let us start solving. Okay. Alright. Now we want the length AB. So in triangle ADB. Okay. ADB. What do we know? Tan 30 equals to AD by AB. Tan 30 is equals to AD by AB. Right? What is tan 30? Substitute the values, 1 by root 3. And what is AD? 10 meters. AB is AB. So AB equals to 10 root 3 meters. So we already got the answer for the first part of the question, that is horizontal distance of hill from the ship, that is AB. So what is the distance? 10 root 3 meters. Okay. Now what is the next part of the question asked? Height of the hill. So what is height of the hill here? BE. So we have to find the distance BE. Correct? So again let us use in triangle DCE, this triangle. Okay. In triangle DCE. What is given here? 60 degrees. Tan 60 is equals to H by X. This will also be X. Why? This is the rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. If this is X, this value will also be equals to 10 root 3. Correct? So let us take tan 60 is equals to H by 10 root 3. H by 10 root 3. What is tan 60 value? Root 3. Root 3 is equals to 10 by root 3. H equals to 10 root 3 into 10 into 3, that is 30. Now, please do not stop your answer here because they are asking us height of the hill, that is BE. But we just got the value of H. To find the height of the hill, we have to add H plus 10. So, height of the hill, that is BE, correct, is equals to 30 plus 10, that is 40 meters. So we got the height of the hill as well, right? Next, if two towers of the height H1 units and H2 units subtends angle 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively, at the midpoint of the line joining their feet, find H1 is to H2. This is again one of the very beautiful questions. Okay, it is super easy, but then it's very different from what we find in the NCERT textbook, correct? So if you have done your RS Agarwal or you have solved few sample papers of Singesh and all, you would find this question. So let us see. There are two towers, H1 and H2. Okay, this is H1, this is H2. They subtend angle of 60 degrees. That is, H1 subtends an angle of 60 degrees. H2 subtends an angle of 30 degrees. At where? At the midpoint of the line joining their feet. So let us take this to be the midpoint. And first let me name also. This is A, this is D, this is O. Now, H1 subtends the angle at midpoint of the line. What angle? 60 degrees. H2 is 30 degrees. If this is the midpoint, that is if O is the midpoint, AO is equals to OB, correct? AO equals to OB. Why? Because it is given that this is the O is the midpoint. So I will be taking this as X and this also as X. Okay. Now I have all the required parameters. Let me start solving the question. Now, in the first triangle, that is ACO. So, in triangle ACO, tan 60 degrees is equals to h1 by x. h1 by x, that is 1 by, sorry, tan 60 is how much? Root 3. This is where we all make mistakes and then the whole answer will be wrong, correct? So root 3 is equals to h1 by x. So h1 equals to x root 3. So let me take this as equation 1. Okay. Next, in triangle DBO. So in triangle DBO, tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees equals to h2 by x. h2 by x. This is nothing but 1 by root 3 is equals to h2 by x. So h2 equals to x by root 3. Let us name this as equation 2. Now what do we have to find? h1 is to h2. So can we divide 1 by, like equation 1 by equation 2? So h1 by h2, that is equation 1 by equation 2. Okay. So what is h1 here? So sorry, x root 3. So x root 3 by x by root 3. x. So root 3 by 1 by root 3. This is root 3 into root 3 by 1. That is 3 is to 1. So h1 is to h2 is equals to 3 is to 1. Okay. So these are the 5 most important questions we have seen in today's chapter of some applications of trigonometry. Tomorrow we will be doing circles and the next day we will be doing the chapter of statistics. Okay. And we have already done the other chapters. So please go through the playlist of 5 most important questions and look at it. Or you can download the app. Even in the home screen you would be finding 5 most important questions. Okay. Alright. Bye bye. I hope your preparation is going well. All the best.